With the continuous advancement of intelligent manufacturing technologies, 3D printing has become an emerging production force in the manufacturing industry. Particularly in the field of 3D printing services, selective laser sintering (SLS) technology has shown unprecedented potential and momentum. Currently, polymer powder becoming the leading material in the global 3D printing market, having surpassed the photosensitive resins for more than 3 years. As SLS technology enters a phase of rapid growth, leading service bureaus are heavily investing in it to meet the demand for rapid iteration of functional development parts and mass production. Now, let's take a look at how top Chinese service bureaus are using SLS technology. First, we turn to Fohan Technology, a leader in the printing services industry in China. Let's hear from Mr. Wen Binghua, chairman of Fohan, about why he invested in SLS technology in 2018.
Before 2018, most of our orders focused on aesthetics, and we only had SLA and FDM printers. With the increasing orders in SLS business, especially for functional parts in the automotive and consumer electronics industries, we first invested in SLS 3D printing equipment in 2018. The rapid growth of the polymer powder market in recent years has proven that we made a right choice. To have invested SLS technology, it has become a major driver of our company's performance and new business growth.
As SLS technology and materials evolve, we are now entering a period of rapid growth. Nanjing Superior 3D Technology has seized this opportunity. Since its founding, the company has focused on SLS printing technology. From 2019 to 2024, they continually expanded their SLS sector and now have nearly 20 machines. General Manager Mr. Wu Chao of Superior 3D shares his story.
After years of accumulation and development, our company is experiencing an annual growth rate of 50%. We'll continue to delve deeply into SLS sector, improve processes, and create larger products to cater customers' needs. SLS parts are used across all industries, like this complex nuclear power component, can be easily printed by a SLS printer. I believe a major breakthrough will take place in SLS technology, and in collaboration with TPM 3D, we'll make progress rapidly and boost industry growth.
Shanghai Acwisdom Information Technology has shown strong growth in recent years. General Manager Stone Shi is a young generation talented manager. He accurately analyzed industry trends and capitalized on the fast-growing SLS market. In recent years, Acwisdom has massively purchased SLS equipment to meet the growing demand.
Our company is a one-stop on-demand manufacturing service provider based in Shanghai, China. Since 2013, our team has engaged with SLS 3D printing technology and introduced our first SLS 3D printer from TPM 3D in 2016. Over the years, we have expanded our service, and the SLS process is now accounting for nearly 70% of our business, becoming our new growth driver. Now, we are ready to seize the bright future of the SLS market.
These leading service bureaus have all chosen TPM 3D SLS printing equipment. For nearly 20 years, TPM 3D has been dedicating to SLS technology, providing equipments and services to clients globally. Technological progress drives industry growth. SLS has become a mainstream 3D printing technology, and with the emergence of more applications in industries such as manufacturing, consumer, medical, and cultural creative, the era of mass printing is just around the corner.